Question number 16 from Standard 1. If a member does business in a country with stricter securities laws and regulations than the codes and standards, but the member's home country has less strict securities laws or regulations than the codes of or standards. So basically कैसे दिया है hierarchy, जहाँ पे the member is doing business, the laws are strictest over there than the codes and standard, and codes and standard के जो भी rules regulations है उससे कम, और you can say less stricter are in a home country. So सबसे strictest is where the member is doing business, and सबसे less strict वाले जो है that is in members home country, that is from where the member belongs to citizenship wala. Okay, so as per the standard 1A, the member must abide by. So we have discussed in standard 1A knowledge of law. The member or candidate should know all the applicable laws. Applicable laws mean where the member does business, where the member resides, and the codes and standards. ये तीन तो पता होने ही चाहिए, इसमें से एक भी पता नहीं है तो it would be violation of standard 1A. Now in this case we have given a scenario कहाँ के less strict है, कहाँ से ज्यादा strict है. So as per standard 1 should know all the applicable laws, मतलब ये तीनों पता होने चाहिए, एंड इसमें से वॉट एवर इज स्ट्रिक्टेस्ट मेंबर शुड फॉलो दैट. सो इन आर केस स्ट्रिक्टेस्ट आर वेयर द मेंबर डज बिजनेस. सो उस कंट्री का जो लॉ है दैट इज सबसे स्ट्रिक्ट है, तो मेंबर शुड फॉलो दैट. सो द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन वुड बी सी. The member must abide by the law and regulations of the country in which member is doing business. बी में दिया है होम कंट्री. होम कंट्री का तो सबसे लेस स्ट्रिक्ट है देन द कोड्स एंड स्टैंडर्ड ऑल्सो, सो ये नहीं आएगा, एंड कोड्स एंड स्टैंडर्ड से स्ट्रिक्टर है where member is doing business. So answer for this question is C. Was a simple question.